Ooh, hello everybody. Hopefully everybody's doing wonderful. They great. Not great, but had a wonderful holiday. Myself, I did enjoy the holidays. It's here. Was it last week and then gone this week. This week we going to a whole new year. So I have not um been to the store because last week was cold. It's been cold like crazy, and also um you know, just trying to get things together. And I always talk about cars. My favorite one is now is the Honda because I gotta get that straightened out. I'm up here for a reason. So if you're gonna talk about cars, I have no problem. Ooh, 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 excuse me. I have no time. I have no problem talking about cars. Because I love it. I just don't like car payments. I'm allergic to car payments. But that being said, speaking of cars, and I don't know who has this issue with this part. I bought this part maybe a couple years ago, and what happened was it lasted for a very long time before my original part, and I had it and I couldn't find it nowhere, and I didn't think about going to the junkyard getting this part, and this shit broke. Replaced it, and that one I had it for like maybe 2 years or something like that, or more, and I replaced it again a couple months ago. I don't know if anybody has issues with it. Of course, I'm not nowhere in storage. I am. I am. It's gonna be a funny video for some of these extra people. I don't know. Just I don't know if it's the material. I don't know what it is, but this is the second one. I broke. It broke. I didn't break it, but it broke. The doorman alternator bracket for my car for the O2 Acura TL. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. That's what it's supposed to look like, right? So my question to anybody else: have anybody had issues with this and broke on me last night, yesterday. I had to buy a whole new one, and I'm not probably putting that against them, but I don't know if this material is good for my car or I need to get a stack, the original. Go to the junkyard get the original bracket, or I could go online like eBay and order. Also, the problem I'm having is I don't want to keep buying something that is going to keep breaking. So if anybody out there knows, this will be a lot of noise because really, yeah, there you go. So if anybody has some issues, I want to put in the comment with this particular item. Um, like I said, this is maybe dang. Hold on, the original rope. What's that? Hold on. Oh, this is my maybe my third one. So I need to find an original bracket. It's for your alternator. And again, uh, just kind of curious in that part. Unfortunately for me, it's been super crazy. I was supposed to go to storage today, and that didn't happen because I was too busy working on the car today. And working in the rain when it's cold, oh, it sucks. When it's hot, it sucks. You just got to work on your car during the springtime. So again, if anybody have any issue with this Dorman's alternative bracket, please let me know because I am going to go to the junkyard and I need to do it probably in the next couple of weeks or sometime this week. I want to maybe next week sometime, but Yeah, I'm just kind of curious because it's probably my third one in my lifetime that I have any break. I do not do nothing to the engine. The engine doesn't have a turbo, a super turbo, nothing. It's, everything in my car is stock, and I just want to keep it, you know, in this bracket. I actually did see it online. Some people had issues with it. I don't know if they did or they didn't. No, they replaced it, and guy didn't like it, so he had his original. So intrigued me, trying to figure this out. But meantime, my work is fixed. Not gonna. I'm so tired of putting money when the sun don't shine. And it's the funny thing. And yeah, this is just this. It just this is like the funny time because again, the, look at this. Look, look at this. This should not be happening. I don't. I don't know if this is original. It's the material. I don't know what it is, but I know I paid $50 for the other one that's in my car now. So hopefully that lasts a little bit longer until I get this the original bracket. Um, but I don't. Thank you for your. I will say thank you for support. I will keep you posted with this car, all the cars. I'm trying to wrap this car up, but it's been too damn cold in my storage, so I gotta like modify the storage doors. Um, what's the other thing going on with the car? I think that's pretty much it as far as that. I'm truly grateful with you guys. That's still hanging around. Even though I do it once a week, I just need to do. I think I need to start doing randoms. Um, I just don't have that much to talk about. But I think I'll make myself talk about some stuff, and that's what I'm gonna do. But you guys have a wonderful year. Um, the end of the year, be careful out there. Enjoy life. Have fun times because we have a new year this year. I mean, a new year this year, this week. Um, so you guys enjoy partying, live life. Don't do nothing stupid though. Don't do. I know. I got extra voices in my place. You stay at a family member's house. You have extra voices and noises. It's fun. But on that note, like I said, thank you for watching. I will probably keep on blog about different things and stuff like that. So peace.